In this video, I'm going to talk about what new affiliate marketers must stop doing if they want to start making money online. All right, let's get straight into it. One of the biggest reasons why I see so many people fail when it comes to affiliate marketing and making any money online is because they overcomplicate things. That's right, I said it. Now, I'll be the first to tell you that there are tons of courses out there, programs, videos with all of these different techniques and strategies and platforms, and do this and don't do that. Spend money on this, don't spend money on that. I get it. You know what I'm saying? I talk about a lot of these things on my channel. So being completely honest, the concept of affiliate marketing is very simple. All you're doing is promoting a product or a service. You're trying to get someone to make a purchase. That's it. No different than when you walk into a store and the lady come up to you and be like, hey, you know, we got these new clothing items in, or we got these new shoes in. Or when you go to the car dealership and somebody goes, hey, can I help you? Did you see our new Escalades and whatever? It's just selling, right? It's just selling. I know people hate that. Like, I don't want to be a salesperson. I don't want to be a sales. Okay, but that's what affiliate marketing is, right? So I think a lot of people get sold on the idea like affiliate marketing, make money online, super easy. It can be easy. The concept is easy, right? The things that you can do to generate sales is easy, right? But you have to understand that you're selling, right? Affiliate marketing is selling. And I think so many people, they get involved with it and then they ask all these questions and the concepts and like, well, should I do this? Should I do that? Well, do I got to spend money? Listen, all right, listen, I'm gonna keep it, all right? Find something that you want to promote, right? Make sure it's something that you enjoy, or you really understand, you really know this product or service, right? Find it, right? Become an affiliate. Right? Get your affiliate link, you know, boom, boom, boom. Understand the affiliate program. Like, understand, you know, what your commission rates is. Do a little background on the company. Make sure they're pretty stable, whatever. Make sure you feel comfortable with the affiliate program. Okay? Now, all you got to do is ask yourself, where are my customers? Period. Or where are my potential customers? That's it. And then once you figure these places out, put your affiliate link there. That's it, right? All the courses and everything out there, some are good, some are okay, some are not, whatever. But ultimately, at the end of the day, you're just putting your affiliate link in front of potential buyers. That's it. Product, right? Buyers. Try to put them together. That's it. Right? So, and only reason, like I said, I'm making this video because I get so many questions, and I get it a little bit, but some of it make me feel like, okay, some people just ask questions as a stalling tactic. Like, you ask a question just to like take away from the time that you could be doing actually promoting these products and making money, instead of being like, okay, so let's see, do I need to do this? I mean, should I do that? No, listen, what you need to do, get your damn affiliate link and start putting it places. That's it, right? And then once you get going, you want to tweak what you're doing. So maybe you put your affiliate link in this place here or there, and you're not getting too much traffic. Okay, you are now a marketer. Affiliate marketing. You're a salesperson. So switch it up, right? This is what we want to do. This is how we want to make money. So we got to switch it up a little bit. All right, put your link in this place now, or put it here, right? And a lot of people get stuck with the whole, I gotta promote online. Who said that you have to only promote affiliate products online? Who said that? Not me. I ain't say that, right? So, you know, think outside of the box. You could do a lot of affiliate marketing offline, right? You can get your domain name and get a domain name connected to your affiliate link. You can still make flyers, right? You can still go to vendor events in your area. You can really do a lot with affiliate marketing. Quit holding yourself in a box, but more importantly, quit overcomplicating the process. It's really not that complicated. It really isn't.